Hello, my name's Marty Marr from Gradisham Properties. Welcome to 5 She Oak Crescent here in Fairhaven. This is a beautiful, substantial 4-bedroom home set on a fully landscaped 1,000 square metre allotment. If you want something that's got a really established quality feel about it, this one's for you. Let's go and take a look. The open plan upper level of this home is a real highlight of the residence. The elevation of it puts you right up in the treetops and it has a great sense of light and space. The large north-facing sundeck is a great place to spend time overlooking the Great Otway National Park. There's also a master bedroom, modern kitchen and dining area on this level. On the lower level we have 3 more bedrooms and another living area plus a bathroom, then access to a very large double garage. One of the extra bonuses of this house is it has a self-contained studio in the backyard which would be perfect for a home office for teenage kids or family coming to stay. This property will provide a very high quality lifestyle with great access to the national park. It's quiet position but also really good access to the magnificent Fairhaven beach and surf club which everyone loves. If this sounds like you, we'd love to show it to you. Please call myself Marty Marr or Mim Atkinson. We'd love to help you.